Word problems on permutation we are starting. For that, first we should know fundamental principle of counting. Principle of counting. Now, what is fundamental principle of counting? We should know it. For that, first law is fundamental principle of multiplication. Another law is fundamental principle of addition. Two laws are there. One is addition law and another is multiplication law. And second is addition law. We should make a concept clear that where we are going to apply the addition law and where we are going to apply multiplication law. That is very important in this case, and if that is okay, you can solve the question. But if you in place of addition you multiply and multiply in place of addition, then your question will be wrong.
Sir, is it fundamental principle of counting?
Yes, fundamental principle of counting.
Okay.
And one in that two laws are there. One is multiplication law, another is called addition law. Now, simple example I'm taking here. One person reaches from A to B. A is one station, another station is C. One person going from A to C via A to B via C. He has to go from station A to B via C. C is one station in between. And he has option from A to C, he can go by three ways. He can travel by train this way. Here we can go by car. Or he can go by car, train, and oh, come on time please. So first is train, then car, another we are taking, let it be going by bus. Another part also, that is C to B, he can again go by three ways. He can go by train, he can go by car, and he can go by air. My question is that the person want to reach from A to B via B. A to B via C he want to reach. How many ways or how many procedures are there he can reach from A to C? He want to reach from A to B via C. So how many options this person has to reach from A to B via C? Can you tell how many ways he can go for it?
Sir, 9.
9.
So 9.
Yes, it's 9. A is here, C, and then B. How many ways he can go from A to C? He can go by train, car, or bus. Here it will be train, car, or air. So first, let us suppose he to go by train from this side. A to C he reaches by train, and further he opt train. Maybe first is train, he opt for car. Maybe train and air. Maybe second option is he start with car and then goes train, car to car, and car to air. Or maybe he start with bus, then goes with train, then bus, and then car, and then bus by air. 3 options here, 3 options here, 3 options here. So what I should say, total ways will be 3 into 3, that is 9 ways in all. That means what we have to complete 2 jobs. What that jobs will be, first job will be A to C. To reach from A to C is the first job. This I can do by 3 ways. Second job we can complete by again 3 ways. Then if we have to complete job 1 and in succession now the job 2. So both the jobs we should finish out, that is job A and job B. If you want to finish out both in succession, then we should go for multiplication 3 into 3. That means AND is coming. First we will go from A to C, then we will go from C to B. That means this has to be taken place and this has to be taken place. So total ways will be 3 into 3. There are 9 cases in all we have, and we will say this is called multiplication rule. Now write down what multiplication rule says. By the way, if it is only 2 ways, what change will be here? Then it will be 3 ways,
3 into
it will
2,
be
6.
2. So it will be come out to be 3 into 2, 6 ways. So you can reach from A to C by 6 ways. Now write the rule. If there are 2 jobs such that one of them can be completed in m ways. One of them can be completed in m ways. And when it has been completed in any one of these m ways, in any one of these m ways, second job can be completed in n ways. Then the 2 jobs in succession.
Can you repeat from when it has been completed in any of these n ways?
M ways. Second job can be completed in n ways. Then the 2 jobs in succession can be completed in m into n ways. If one part of the job we complete by m ways, second part of the job we complete by n ways, then the total ways to complete job 1 and 2 will be m into n. One complete job actually has 2 parts of it. First part I can do by m ways, second part I can complete it by n ways, then the total job we can complete in m into n ways. So this is the product rule we have. Example, I can take more now. For example, if I have 5 shirts, 5 trousers, 5 tie, 5 shoes, pair of shoes. How many ways I can dress up? I have 5 shirts, 5 trousers, 5 tie and 5 shoes. How many ways I can dress up? No combination. ये नहीं कि आप combination देख रहे नहीं. I'm saying randomly.
625.
625.
25. 620.
625.
Yes, sir.
Because in this case, what I'm going to do when I'm going to dress up, first I'm going to wear a shirt. That will be done by 5 options with me. 5 ways I can do it. After that, I'm wearing the trouser. That will be 5 ways again. You can't say either I'll take a shirt or a trouser, or cannot be possible in this case. That dress up will not complete. So 5 ways, shirt and then trouser, then there is a tie and then there will be a shoes. All 4 to be taken in succession. First you are taking shirt, then trouser, then tie and then shoes. So it will be 5 into 5 into 5 into 5. That will be total 625 ways I can have this. So in this case we are using multiplication rules because and is here. I'm going to wear a shirt and a trouser and a tie and a shoes. So that way we will say multiplication rule is there. But by the way, in this case, my question comes like this. I have 5 shirts of cotton, 4 shirts of silk, 3 shirts linen, 2 more shirts mixed. How many ways I can wear a shirt? Now my question is, how many ways I can wear a shirt?
So 120.
So 14.
So 14.
120 is the one answer, 14 is the other answer.
Listen, 14.
14. Don't say it is 120. Don't multiply that 5, 4, 3, 2. Because you are not going to do this. That first one of the cotton shirt I can wear by 5 ways. I'll wear a cotton shirt out of 5, right? So that is 5. And then on that we are taking a silk shirt. ऐसा तो नहीं करेंगे. Then on that we are taking a linen shirt and I'm going to put up mixed shirt. 4 शर्ट नहीं पहनेंगे हम, एक ही शर्ट पहनेंगे. If you do this way, 5 into 4 into 3 into 2, that means you are doing this procedure. This and this and this and this. इसका मतलब आपने चारों पहन ली हैं. What I should say in this case? In this case, I'll say I'm going to wear only one. And how many options are there? 5 plus 4 plus 3 plus 2. Either of them I'm going to wear. So I have an option of 9, 3, 12 and 2. 14 shirts option is with me. So I should say addition rule will be here. So whenever or comes, we should say addition. Whenever and comes, we will say multiplication. So either of these process we will be doing. Either of this means I am going to wear either a cotton shirt, or I am going to wear a silk shirt, or I am going to wear a linen shirt, or I am going to wear a mixed shirt. So any one shirt I am going to wear. So or is there, so we will say it will be a plus sign coming. So I should say 5 plus 4 plus 3 plus 2. That will be total answer. We will be having 14 shirts. So write down now addition rule. If there are 2 jobs, such that they can be performed independently in M and N ways. In M and N ways, respectively, then either of the 2 jobs can be performed in M plus N ways. It can be done in M plus N ways. Means if any one of the job to be done, either I'll be going to wear a silk shirt or I'm going to wear a cotton shirt. Any one of the procedure I'm going to do, then addition will be there. So total ways will be M plus N ways. Now we are using these 2 laws. You should decide where we are going to use what law. And all the word problems I am going to do by these 2 laws, that is addition rule and the multiplication rule. First question, write down please. A room has 6 doors. A room has 6 doors. In how many ways can a person enter the room and come out? In how many ways a person can enter the room and come out?
So can you please repeat the question? I missed it.
36.
In a room,
36.
So 36.
there are 6 doors. One person enter in the room and come out. How many ways he can do this procedure? Person enter the room in 6 ways and come out by how many ways? 6 ways. When person enter in it, 2 procedure he has to do. He has to go inside and then come out. When you go inside, how many options are with him? 6. That means one part of the job is to get inside, that will be done by 6 ways. Then he will be coming out. Again, when he is coming out, again we have 6 options to come out. So I will say it will be done by 6 ways. So one job is to get inside, one to come out, and the whole procedure is to be done, means he has to go inside and come out. We will say total cases will be 6 into 6, 36 cases will be in all. But by the way, if the question comes that whatever the door he is going to enter, he should not come out with the door, same door. Then how many options are there?
6 into 5, 30.
30. Then he will be having 6 options to get inside. But whatever option he is taking to get inside should not be taken to go out. So into. How many ways he can come out now? Only 5 ways. So total comes out to be 30 ways. 6 ways he goes inside, 5 ways he goes out. Total will be 6 into 5, 30 cases are there in. One more question in the same. How many ways a person can get inside and come out with the same door? How many ways he goes inside and come out with the same door?
6.
6. He has 6 ways to get inside. But to come out he has only one option. जिसको उसने अंदर के लिए follow किया है वही उसी से बाहर जा रहा है. इसका मतलब only one way he has. So we will say it will be 6 into 1. That will be 6 ways.